Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got another quick little video for you of how to factory reset your Google Chromecast. Let's get started. You should be able to find the button on the device next to the USB port. Press and hold till the amber LED changes to a solid white. This is what you should be getting on screen. I've sped up the video slightly, so if yours is taking a little longer, don't worry. And that's all there is to it. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and I hope to catch you in the next one. Peace.